guys, I'm back. So I was gonna do another review on that Dv1 Base Gun, guys, with a 3-stage pearl for BMW. Showing you guys how nice this thing sprays. So stay tuned and watch this one. I'm spraying it with a 1.4, and you guys are gonna appreciate it as much as I am. This gun is awesome. If anybody wants to pick one up, I'll leave a description below on where to get one if you guys are local or online. So thanks for watching, guys. Here's the pearl, guys. It's got a lot of mid coat in it, and then the pearls. And this coat we're doing here is A96 BMW 3-stage. But see these sticks? They scrape the side. You want to make sure, I was showing you before, that paint on the side of the liner. You want to make sure you get that all off of there, because that's going to change the color if you don't. So these are real nice. I actually like putting the paint, mixing it without the hard cup on it, so I can actually hold this and spin it, and it'll get it all off of the sides real good, because it's flexible. See that? See how it scrapes it? It lets it get it all off of there with the cup. Then I'll put the hard cup on it. But just showing you the paint. That's the base coat, the ground coat, and that's the mid coat pearl. So we'll show you this gun, guys. It's going to be a good one. That's it there. I always mark my cups with the coat on them in case I got to do something later, maybe a touch up on a bolt or something. Always mark the top of the lid. It'll save you time later trying to search through your paint and figuring out what's what. So always do that, guys. It's just a simple step that'll save you a lot of time. I'm sure you guys are doing it, but anybody new to the painting business, always mark your paint, and it'll save you a lot of time in the long run. Also, guys, these crystal tack rags are the best as far as I'm concerned. I've been using crystals for years and years and years, but they come out with this new one here. It's called the Perfect Poly. It's virtually lint free, they're saying, but this one is the best. It's got less lint on it, and it really works well. So try these out, guys. Crystal tack rags. I'll also put a description in below for these also. And here's another thing I use. This is one of the WALCOM blowers. This is to blow dry the base coat. I don't use it for that because we have the Becca system in here, but I like blowing the car off before I tack it with this to kind of duplicate the fan of the gun. You know, I'll blow the car off real heavy in the beginning outside with a heavy blowgun, but when I get back in the booth, I don't want to blow it around like crazy and stir up stuff. So I duplicate the way the gun's going to spray. That way it'll put out the dirt wherever it's going to come out, as if you were passing with the gun. That's just a little trick I do, and it seems to work out well for me. So it's kind of got a nice even fan and a nice low air pressure that kind of duplicates the gun. And to me, that's basically how it would be if the gun was gonna spray. It would blow out the dirt. So just something I do. I blow this with my hand, and I'll show you in a minute. And also, guys, I forgot to thank my buddy Joe. He bought me that a while back, a couple years back, that WALCOM blowgun. And I've been using it every day, Joe. Thanks again, buddy. So I just sealed the car, guys, and I'm gonna let it dry. And then I'm gonna come in there and hit it with the base coat, guys, so you'll see that part of it. But I put that sealer down. It's a beautiful sealer. It does a beautiful layout, and it real smooth finish on it. So it gives it a nice, you know, round coat for the base, but I always do that for adhesion. I don't like putting base coat straight on any kind of a part without sealer down. So stay tuned and watch me spray the base, guys. Here we go. That's the sealer, guys, I was telling you about. Look how nice it lays down. So guys, that was one coat of base, and we're gonna put one more coat on, and then we'll go to the base coat with the pearl on it, and we'll see where we're at with that. I'm gonna spray a card, check the color, make sure you're right, and always spray a card and check your color, guys. I already know this color, I've already sprayed cards, but I'm gonna spray one anyway, and just make sure it's the same as it used to be. So. That's the pearl, guys. We're gonna put the pearl on it. So the base is on, it's blow drying now with the Becca system, and we're gonna go to the pearl now, put 2 coats, maybe 3 with a drop, and then clear it, and then we'll show it to you out of the booth, guys, and show you how this gun lays it out without any model. Anybody painting knows if you pull some of the pearls out, sometimes you'll see model and streaks in the sun from certain angles. We'll show you this and show you how this gun produces. There it is, all done, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not mottled at all. Came out really nice. That's a 1.4. I sprayed the pearl at 13 and then hit it with 10 for the drop coat. But it came out beautiful. So the gun's awesome, guys. The Vilbus Dv1 for base. After my review of it, having it about 2 or 3 weeks now, thing works awesome.